infra space. Remember, viewers, it's the center that is now set to continue its big push on infrastructure spending. Sources have told Business Today Television that capital expenditure could rise in FY27 with the focus expanding beyond roads and railways. Joining us with more details on this is my colleague Surabhi. Hi Surabhi, this seems to be good news coming in, and that to a month before the budget. It's usually the budget when we do hear a lot of big bang announcements on infra spending from the government, and already you are hearing about how the government could be stepping up its pedal on this one.
Yes, so capital expenditure has always been a key focus of the government in the last few years, and with growth still being, robust this fiscal, but concerns over next fiscal, capital expenditure will continue to be a priority. So this fiscal capex has been much more robust than last fiscal. About 11.21 lakh crore is estimated for this year, out of which 59% had been spent between April and November, and it's expected that in December it was even higher. So the government is thinking that a 10 to 12% increase in capital expenditure is easily doable, and it's something that will also be absorbed by the administrative ministries, not only railways and roads, but other emerging sectors also, whether it's urban infrastructure, ports and shipping, and of course renewable energy, which is a key priority of the government right now.
All right, so it could be much beyond the roads and railways is what Surabhi does point out, and there could be many other administrations that could be absorbing this capital expenditure going forward from here. Thank you so much, Surabhi, for giving us all of those details there. Let me actually go across to Sneha once again. Sneha, give us an understanding of how would you look at the infra story? Well, sources are telling us on Business Today Television that there could be heightened expenditure even going forward, and government's focus on the FY27 capex could also be taking center stage. Right now, FY26 capex allocation stands at 11.21 lakh crore rupees. It could further move up from this, and there could be many more sectors that could be coming into this fold beyond roads and railways.
Basically, this was one of the major concern area 2024, the capex was completely absent. In 2025, government did front-loaded in the month of April to June, but then post-monsoon, the capex has not really picked up in a big fashion. And there were a lot of concerns that posed the huge spending by the government in way of the fiscal and the monetary policy through a GST route. Probably the capex might not be able to pick up in a substantial manner going ahead, but if this really comes 10 to 12% hike comes in the budget, then this would be a big booster, because the earnings recovery was actually hinging on the capex revival, and
Yes.
that will provide a big fill up to the not only to the
Absolutely.
the government
Got
capex,
that.
but that will actually trigger the private capex as well, which has been
Yes.
lacking over last few years.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.